sibune nchire ya moyo Gosegeta masomo Chisukuru Chia Gusii nige skuru y'abanyaruka ya Our Lady of Lourdes NYABURURU Girls National School yarganiriye workshop y'abarimu b'Egesongo amahone Geswahili erigo somani enchira yo komento mukia asa masomo aya iyo erabe ritko ya Jumapili asa bange basabiro gwikirana ase obonge
ndagete gwakira Nyasaye mbuya mono ase ngencho yerisa tingi yatwete last year. We had a mean of 9.863 in English and a mean of 10.2 in Kiswahili. In English, we had airplanes 112. What airplanes 96 and 135 A minuses. In Edsa yamono sana asengencho in the entire region ya Nyanza. In English, we are number 3 after Maranda Boys, which is number 1 with a mean of 10.1, and Asumbi Girls with a mean of 10.0. Aseng Nchiayo, Ntune Familia NYABURURU Girls National School, want to invite our teachers from basically Gusii and Nyamira and the environs, Ba Cham, To Cham, Torankieke, Tura Korea so improve erisat ya bana baito which school chetu Chionsi, both boys and girls. That's why on Sunday tarehe 8 omutie nyoyo kutaka saa 2 tukabwate workshop ya barimu b'Egeswahili n'Egesongo ase NYABURURU Girls toche we share tomanyanga nkitora akore erinde mini ya languages improve and maintain NYABURURU. Not that we have special students, we have normal students, the same students probably you have in your school. But what is this thing which we do very unique? So our Rimubaito Begesongo na Begeswahili want to welcome you. We come and we share on Sunday. And to our principals, kindly allow the teachers to come, we share. And you will see a difference in the results come next year. Thank you so much. God bless you. Let us